Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about how you can take your classes, online classes using Google Classroom and Google Meet. First of all, you have to add an extension called Meet Attendance to take attendance using Google Meet. You can download from this apps option. You have to go to Web Store. Now on Web Store, you have to search for Meet Attendance. Now after searching, you can get the Meet Attendance option at the first spot and you can install it through Add to Chrome option like this. I've already installed it, therefore I am not installing it again. Now I have to go to my Google Classroom by using this link classroom.google.com. Now I am going to my test classroom. I am going to the classwork tab. Now I am opening the Google Calendar. Now suppose I have to plan a meeting on Friday at 10 a.m. Then I have to double click on that option, add a title, for example XYZ class. Now if I have to repeat it, I have to click this option. I have to click on weekly on Friday. Now the same class will be repeated on every Friday from 10:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Since I am taking a virtual class, therefore adding location is not necessary for me. Now I have to select the Google Meet option. This notification option is telling that before 10 minutes of your class starting time, your students will get a reminder or a notification of this class. Now I have to select my audience, which will be my test classroom. Therefore, all the students who are already added in my test classroom will be the part of this conversation. Now after setting all the fields, I have to click the save button, and you can see that my class is now scheduled from 10:30 to 11:30 a.m. Now suppose that if I have to take my class on Friday, then I have to go to my Google Calendar, right click on the class option, click join meeting. Now Meet screen will open for me. Now as I click the join now button, the meeting is now joined by me. At the top right corner, I am having this option, and you can see that the Meet attendance extension is now enabled as I open my Meet. Now, this option is for adding a new sheet on your spreadsheet. This option will create a new sheet on your Google Drive. This option will off and on your Meet attendance extension. This option will on or off your auto scrolling option. Now, as I click this option, I can see that the number of times I joined this class will appear in this Google Sheet. Now if I have to add a new sheet, then I will go back to my Meet window and then select this option. It will open a new sheet for me, total new spreadsheet. Now as I click this option, you can see that there is no entry in it. It is a total new spreadsheet. Remember, you have to do these settings before the entry of your students. Now, suppose that it is the same time and date at which I have to take my class. For taking my class, I have to go to my classroom and then I have to go to the classwork tab, at which I have Google Calendar option. After clicking Google Calendar, I will directly go to my class. For joining my class, I have to right click on this button and then press join meeting. Now I have to click join now. Now I will wait for my student to come to attend the class. Meanwhile, I have to check the attendance status. For checking attendance status, I have to go to People's tab, and it is showing that my attendance extension is on. Now you can see that a student from outside university is trying to join my class. Now for adding him, I have to click the admin button. The added student is just my normal Google ID and I am just using it for making this tutorial. Now for checking the attendance status, you can again go to the people tab. You can see that all the tabs are open, means this extension is now working. If you don't see it, it means your extension is not collecting your data. Now for viewing your attendance, you have to go to this option and you have to double click it to view your attendance spreadsheet. Now you can see that it has recorded all the entries in this meeting with timestamp. For recording, you can go to this option and start recording by clicking this option. And the recording will be appear on your Google Drive after some minutes. Now, if you want to present something, you have to click to this option and you can select your entire screen, a window or a Chrome tab. I am selecting a window. This window can be anything. You can select a PowerPoint presentation too. Now by clicking the share option, it is sharing my screen. Now this PPT is now sharing with all the students who are included in this meeting. In this way, you can share any screen. Now, for ending this meeting, you have to stop sharing and click this red button to end this meeting. In this way, you can give any online session to students anywhere in the world. Thank you.